Hello, my name is Ashley. Today I'm going to prepare you Christmas cake, which it calls log cake. Alright, what do we need is we need 6 eggs. We need 1 cup and a quarter sugar, 2 cups of flour, lemon grind, baking powder, 2 teaspoons baking powder, and a quarter teaspoon of vanilla. This is the sugar vanilla it is. All right, we're going to put the egg now. We're going to put 6 eggs. All right, we're going to beat the egg now. Start slow and then make it harder, and then we're going to add sugar with the egg until it gets white. We're going to beat this hard now. We're going to put the sugar slowly. Now we're going to beat the egg. It's going to turn a little white. And then we're going to add the flour and the baking powder. Now that you see it's white, now we're going to put the flour little by little. I'm going to lower it the way you see it's white. Now we're going to put the flour slowly. I want to say that the flour I sifted so it will be a little lighter. Now I'm going to put the 2 teaspoons of baking soda. I'm going to put the vanilla. And now I'm going to put my lemon grind. And now we're going to turn it off. All right. Now it's done. All the lemon grind, you should clean it because we want all the taste. Sometimes they get stuck onto the machine. Now we're going to put this in a flat tray with the parchment paper. We're just going to spread like this, and then it spreads by itself all over. We're going to spread this. And we're going to put in 350 oven. Let's spread first, just like this. And in the oven, it will even it up. Now we're going to put this in oven and we're going to bake it about 20-25 minutes. We're going to, before we take it out, we have to look with the light to see if it's risen a little bit. All right, now the cake is ready. How it got fluffed up. We'll turn this off. It was 13 minutes that we put. Now what we have to do, we're going to take the cake and we're going to turn this upside down. And we're going to take it out and we're going to peel it. Just like this. All right, now that we took the cake out, what we have to do, we're gonna put a little bit orange juice. That's optional if you want, but what it does, it makes the cake even more juicy for you. This is a orange juice. It's fresh orange. I just squeezed it. We'll put a little bit all over. And then I'm gonna put just very little bit rum, just drip it. It will give very good taste to the cake. Remember, this is a Christmas cake, Christmas log cake. And now we're gonna put some cream. You can put apricot jelly, strawberry jelly, anything you want. I'm gonna put chocolate cream, which I have a recipe on my channel, which I call like a Nutella. This is I prepared just for this. It's gonna be very tasty. Your kids are gonna love it. If so is your guest. Every Christmas time I do that. My customers, they would love to buy it from me. To some persons, to some customer, my favorite ones, I'll make it and I'll give it to them. There you go. I'm gonna put this under again. So what I have to do, I'm gonna roll the cake. And while you're rolling, you take the paper out. If you cannot do alone by yourself, let somebody pull it, or you can hold it with your teeth and you can pull it out. So you just roll like this and make sure it's not rolled in, and roll it again. And just close both sides and leave it for a while until it stays. I will leave it about half hour at least, and then I'll come back and we're gonna decorate and we're gonna show you how it's gonna look. We're gonna leave like this. Make sure you close the sides so they won't dry. And then we're gonna trim the ends a little bit. All right, we'll be back after it cools down a little bit. Now, while the cake is ready, I'm gonna make the cream, which I have on my channel, special cream I was making. Now we have over here, we're gonna put on top, it's a half a butter and half of the condensed milk we're gonna put. All right, you can put whole butter and whole can, but I'm doing just half. I'm gonna go slow. Just be careful, don't make too hard. I'm gonna put a little bit vanilla in it so it gives good smell and a taste at the same time. You can still put, if you want, lemon grind, but I'm just gonna put vanilla. And I'm gonna put about 5 tablespoons cacao. You'll put very little at a time, and when you beat, this is 1, 2, doesn't have to be exactly the same. Like it's a little more, a little less, it's okay. This is just for the color, and of course it gives the taste. All right, and this is ready already. So we're gonna wait until the cake is cold, and then we're gonna put the cream on it, and we're gonna show you how beautiful and how tasty it will be. Now, in case if you want, you can add a little rum or any kind of liquor you would love to. You can do that a little bit in your cream, but I'm not gonna put it because I already put in the cake. This is kids are gonna eat, so I think it will be enough whatever I had in it. All right, now that the cake is cold, I prepared over here a plate that we want to decorate on it, and I put the little decoration papers, which from the back I taped it just like this, putting together and put it on top. Now what I have to do, I have to put 2 plastic both sides because I'm going to put the cake and I'm going to put the cream on it, and I don't want the beautiful doilies, paper doilies, to get dirty. So I'm just gonna cut both sides like this, cover it, so later on after it's finished I can pull them out. So I will put this one side for now. We're gonna open the cake. Here we go. All right, now we have to see, I need at least, I'm gonna cut it. You can cut the way you want it. I'm gonna cut from both sides. Let's see, we'll cut it this way, so we have to make nice, beautiful with this cake. All right, let's put this away. We're gonna put this here, and we're gonna put the cake on top. Well, it looks very beautiful, soft, light, and juicy. So we're gonna put like this. We're gonna take a piece. We're gonna cut. We're gonna put on top here. We're gonna cut another piece. This is the sides. We can take some part from the back, like this. We're gonna put this here. You can decorate the way you want it. We're gonna put a piece of here. There we go. There we go. We're going to make it a little longer. And we can put this part. Now let's put the edges over here like this so it will look nicer. And we put this part over here. And we put this one just like this. You can decorate the way you want it. Here we go. Just like this. So now we're gonna take the cream. Let's put some at the bottom. We'll glue like this. We'll glue with the cream. We'll put some here. Now we're gonna decorate. You can put before, you can put after, the way you want it. So we're just gonna put all the cream all over. We'll take this out. Like I said, the cake, you cut it the way you want it. You can make it longer, you can make it shorter, you can put wherever you want. Now we're gonna put the cream. We don't want to put too much cream as long as we cover it, because when you eat, you don't want to eat all the cream. You want to eat delicious, beautiful cake. Very tasty. Remember, this is a Christmas log. The logs, the branches, the trees. It has so many shapes. Make sure that they all glued nice together. Anytime you go someplace, friend's house, you can, for Christmas, holiday, you can take this as a little present for them. I want to say the Christmas holidays is one of the most beautiful, most important holiday in the year. The happiest and important. Everybody will enjoy this holiday. There we go. Make sure it's all covered. I'm just gonna pull it for now, the plastic. I just put it so we don't have to make it too dirty, the paper. It can happen a little bit chocolate here and there, but it's okay. There you go. Now we have to take the fork and we have to give branch design. So the sides that we cut it, we will do it this way. The circle one, we go circle. The front part, we go round and round. And it doesn't have to be smooth, because tree trunks are not smooth. Over here, you go up. There we go. Here we do circle. Then you bring it, just you go towards to the trunk, the trees the way they are. Nothing hard, you just make a design, give the beautiful shape. Over here, we'll make it circle. The design, this is how it is. There. Now, what we need is, we need a little ornament. So what we have to do, we have to decorate. It's a Christmas log cake. We will put like this. Santa's flying. There is a little forest here and there. Little Christmas trees. You decorate. You put a little bit red ornament. You put a little bit pine cones here and there. Let's see where we can put. We'll decorate here next to the Christmas tree. We put some little red spots here. A little Christmas tree here next to it. So this is the way you'll decorate the cake. Let's put a couple trees around here. It depends how is your taste. There we go. So now the end, what we have to do, we will take a little powdered sugar, and what we have to do is we have to, it's like a snow. There we go. And I will make sure that when you take it to your friends, They are gonna really enjoy it. Well, I want to say this is my beautiful Buche De Noel. It's a Christmas log cake. Simple, easy, beautiful, and tasty. I hope you'll try this. It didn't take time except waiting to cool the cake so you can put the cream. The cream is so simple and easy. I have the recipe separate, and at the same time, I just made it for you so you will know it. And let the kids later on lick the rest of the chocolate when it's finished, and you will have a good time. Well, I hope you like it, and I hope you try this. It's beautiful, tasty. Happy holiday to everybody. And if you like it, please subscribe my channel and like. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to everybody. Thank you. Bye-bye. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this channel. I want to thank to all my patrons on patreon.com for their support to make my channel possible. Thank you.